Founded in 1928, Bud Industries has been manufacturing industrial enclosures for electronics applications for over 80 years. At Bud, we can use our extensive manufacturing experience to eliminate the need for a third-party customizer, incorporating your company's specific requirements into the production of the original enclosure, resulting in reduced manufacturing and shipping costs, as well as improved quality control. You can even download our standard product CAD drawings, make changes, then email them back for price quotes. The result is a shorter design process and a much quicker time to market. Bud is able to customize all our standard enclosures to each client's specifications for plastic, steel, and aluminum enclosures. Changing the size and the shape of the enclosure is no problem at Bud Industries. Adding additional holes or cutouts to products is a daily duty for Bud craftsmen. Special finishes like powder coating, not a problem. Silk screening or EMI and RFI shielding on a client product? You can count on Bud to manage those operations as well. We can even provide special packing and shipping services to get your enclosures delivered on time and in perfect condition. This particular enclosure is produced for a cutting-edge company whose product is used to precisely measure levels of gases in the air and soil. Their gas analyzers are widely used in the agriculture, food processing, and pharmaceutical manufacturing industries. At Bud, we can meet their exacting requirements with each shipment, customizing the enclosure to detailed specifications before sending it off to them for their trademarked finishing touches. Custom work, turnkey enclosures, on-time delivery. Modifications and custom work are standard for Bud.